Actress Alia Bhatt posted a snapshot on Wednesday where she can be seen posing against the sunset sky with her elder sister Shaheen. Pink sunset and a cool breeze, thoroughly enjoyed by two sweet peas, Alia captioned the Instagram picture. Reacting to the post, Alia's mother Soni Razdan commented with a red heart emoji. Speaking of Alia's work projects, she will be seen sharing space with Ranbir Kapoor and Amitabh Bachchan in Ayan Mukherjee's Brahmastra. Her next release on OTT is Father Mahesh Bhatt's Sarak 2. She will also be seen in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Gangubai Kathiawadi. Sara Ali Khan has shared a picture from her childhood with mother Amrita Singh and brother Ibrahim with a dash of funky rhyming. Mother-daughter Iggy Potter, riot of colors with water slaughter. Mommy so young I almost forgot her. Gulal we threw, off guard we caught her. But it was healthy fun with no torture. After all she's mother dearest, the OG foughter, wrote Sara alongside the pictures that she posted. The snapshot is from a holy celebration and has the three of them hugging each other. Amrita's face is covered in red gulal and Sara with her chubby cheeks looks cute. Sara will next be seen alongside Varun Dhawan in David Dhawan's comedy flick Coolie No. 1. The film is a remake of Dhawan's 1995 hit of the same name, starring Govinda and Karisma Kapoor. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande has penned an emotional note for him on Instagram. Hope, prayers and strength. Keep smiling wherever you are, she captioned the picture. Ankita dated Sushant for almost 6 years. They met on the sets of Ekta Kapoor's show Pavitra Rishta. After that, Sushant made his Bollywood debut in Kai Poche and Ankita made her debut in Manikarnika. Sushant was found hanging at his Bandra residence on June 14. Post-mortem reports stated that the actor had committed suicide. Actress Sunny Leone is currently spending good time with her family and taking care of her fitness. The actress shared a video of herself doing workout in the gym. She captioned the post, "All gyms have closed again, so back to the boring home gym. Just when we felt things might return to a little normalcy. No, as you can see my level of excitement is so high. LOL, but better at this than getting COVID." Sunny and her family flew away to the US in May amid the COVID-19 outbreak. She felt they would be safer in America than in India during the pandemic. On the work front, Sunny will next be seen in Viram Devi and Coca-Cola. Actor Adhyan Suman's girlfriend Myra Mishra recently posted a stunning picture of herself on social media. Adhyan is the son of noted actor Shekhar Suman. Myra took to Instagram where she shared the photograph. In the picture, she can be seen dressed in black outfit posing with a glass of wine in her hand. Myra and Adhyan are often in the news for their relationship. The actress is often seen posting glamorous pictures on social media. She has also been a contestant of Splitsvilla 11. Actress and former beauty queen Sushmita Sen recently shared a beautiful monochrome selfie on Instagram. Shilpa penned an inspirational post along with the picture. She wrote, "There is knowing smile. Not because I know things for sure, but mostly because I am at peace with the idea of not knowing. What is important will reveal itself at the right time. This trust I call faith, and this faith makes me fearless. I don't fear the unknown." On the acting front, Sushmita recently made her digital debut with web show Arya. Arya is a family crime thriller drama directed by Nirja famed filmmaker Ram Madhwani. Actress Vidya Balan's upcoming film Shakuntala Devi new song Rani Hindustani is out now. Sharing the news on Instagram, Vidya wrote, "Not everyone but some call her Rani Hindustani. Meet Shakuntala Devi." The song has been crooned by Sunidhi Chauhan and music has been composed by Sachin Jigar. The lyrics of the song has been penned by Vayu, helmed and written by Anu Menon. The film is based on the life of Shakuntala, who is widely revered as the human computer for her innate ability to make incredibly complex calculations within seconds. The film also stars Sanya Malhotra, who will be seen playing the role of Shakuntala's daughter Anupama, along with Amit Saad and Jishu Sen Gupta in pivotal roles. Shakuntala Devi will premiere on Amazon Prime Video on July 31st. Filmmaker Rumi Jaffrey on Thursday arrived at Bandra police station to record statement in connection with actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Reportedly, the filmmaker was planning to direct Sushant and his girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti in his next film. Meanwhile, Mumbai police has over the past few weeks also recorded statements of YRF casting director Shanu Sharma, Aditya Chopra, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Sushant's family, staff and a few of his friends, and rumoured girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti, besides filmmaker Mukesh Chhabra and actress Sanjana Sanghi, who worked with the late actor in the upcoming last film Dil Bechara. Sushant Singh Rajput was found hanging in his Mumbai residence on June 14. The actor's post-mortem report stated his death was a suicide.